to all media persons, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to everybody. Respected Amit ji, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and coming here and to grace this function. We're really honored. As I told many times, Amit ji is my inspiration, he is my role model, he is my guru. And I can't forget those times when I acted with you in Andha Qanoon, Giraftar, Hum. So how much love, affection, care you showed on me. I can't forget those times. Really, you are my, what can I say? If anything in my life, any big decision you want to take, definitely without your consultation, without our permission, I won't do that. That too after spending half an hour or 45 minutes in Lonavala, what you told me and what we discussed, that is there in my heart. Thank you very much for everything, Amit ji. Thank you very much for coming, Jaya ji, Abhishek, Dayanidhi Maran sir, Shankar sir, Aishwarya ji, Dayani ji, and Venus people, Rasool, Rahman, everybody. Kalanidhi Maran, actually, I want to talk a few words about him. He is only a 46 years old. Of course, he born with a silver spoon, but his career, he started with scratch, with nothing. In 17 years, he started the TV, Pumale in Tamil. Now he is #1 in South India, he is an icon. So without him, definitely this Robo picture wouldn't have, finished. And thank you very much for your encouragement, your cooperation. Thank you very much. And Shankar is one of the best directors in India who can mix the commercial and art, class and commercial. He knows that very well and is an excellent technician. I worked in this picture Shivaji. When he asked me to do this picture Robot, after doing the Shivaji, when I came to know, when I understood him, that's why I accepted. Otherwise, I wouldn't have accepted this character, this role, because it's very tough, very challenging role. And as you all know that Kamal Hassan was supposed to do that character, and even Shah Rukh Khan also, was supposed to do. Then, so I don't know, something is didn't work out. Anyway, दाने दाने पर लिखा है खाने वाले खाने. So I am really grateful to you to offer this legendary character, this legendary role to me. That confidence you had in me, thank you very much.
I've had a long association with Rajni, and he's been very kind to say some wonderful words for me, but I think that more than what he has said, I value what Rajni is as a friend, as a colleague, in the several films that we've worked together, and of the several wonderful moments that Rajni and I have spent together, just talking about life, talking about films, just talking things in general. There is no doubt in my mind, and I'm sure in the minds of everyone in this country, that he is indeed the son of the soil and a person who is greatly, greatly admired and loved by every Indian in this country. Yes, he has the talent, and yes, he has made some wonderful films, but I think you will all agree with me that we all admire him for his great humility and his tender heart, and the fact that he has always remained so grounded despite the adulation and the fame that he has enjoyed through several years. We all know about his very humble beginnings, and it is a great example for every Indian to emulate what Rajni has done with his life and with his career. And I'm just very honored and happy that I met a man called Rajnikant, and I'm so happy that I was able to spend so much of my valuable time with him and to learn so much from him. He may have said some very glorious things about me, but I can tell you that every time that I have met him, it has been his simplicity, his honesty, and his very down-to-earth nature that has always impressed me. And many a times, there are decisions that I have had to take, some very tough decisions, and I've always remembered him as a colleague, as a very dear friend, and tried to think that what would Rajni have done if he had been in this situation? And I've always found a very capable answer every time that I've been faced with any kind of a ridiculous situation or a stressful situation. So thank you, Rajni, so much for your association with me. A lot has already been said about the film. I'd like to congratulate Sun Pictures, Mr. Maran, to Venus, to Ganesh ji, and to Ratan Jain for taking up this project, because for them also it must have been a very courageous decision. We are meeting after a very long time, and I'm sure that this venture will help you to exploit this film to the very maximum. You have been an integral part of this industry. You've made some wonderful products. I wish you all the very best. Danny has been a member of the family. We still go out and we play table tennis. I haven't played with him for some time now, so I hope they'll excuse me. But one of the things that Danny and I have always understood is that we may not be phoning each other every day, we may not be meeting each other every day, but he knows and I know that he's very much a part and an integral part of our family, and he knows that when he needs me, I'll be there. And I know that when I need him, he'll be there as well. Thank you so much, Danny. Mr. A.R. Rahman, what can I say for you? You have already established yourself so wonderfully well. Every time you step out of this country, we are so proud that you have taken the Indian flag and this country along with you and thrust this flag, this very honorable, great Indian flag, into other parts of the world. हमारा भी एक छोटा सा झंडा आपने विदेशों में जाकर के गाड़ा है, और इसके लिए हमें बड़ा गर्व है इस बात पर. Rasool and me have been interacting recently. He has been very generous in all his praise. I was there in his part of the world recently, and we started something which is going to be of benefit to humanity. I love his spirit, apart from the talent, of course. But what I like about him is that even though he has been blessed with all the fame and fortune, he has decided to contribute and lend that effort to a very noble cause. And he keeps looking out how he can utilize this great talent and this fame in trying to bring other people benefit, the common man, and what he can do for them. I'm truly honored to be joining him in several of the schemes that he has initiated in his part of the world, and hope we continue to work together. I'm now very restless to release the audio of this film. A lot has already been said. I'm sure that you're waiting for this moment very anxiously. Ladies and gentlemen,